the tour of the room, but I wanted to come on here and just show you a few things about the room. Okay, so one of the first things about this room that I don't necessarily love is there's not very many plugs here. So you see there's this right here that's got one regular plug and then two, what is that, USB plugs. So that is in this area underneath the TV. There's that plug. Okay, please excuse the mess in my room because I'm in the middle of packing. There are no plugs on either side of the bed, which I find a little bit strange. There is a plug way over there, but nothing on either side of the bed. Also, this is how you control the lights. So this is the one right next to the bed. And then this is the one that is in the bathroom. And this is right when you come in the door. So the light situation in this room is, I still don't know how to use it. So that's one thing that is just a little confusing to me. I can't really figure out how to use the lights. Like I showed you, they have the 3 different controllers. The one by the bed, the one in the bathroom, and then the one at the front door. And they all say, you know, different things on them, but I can't figure out how to control like each individual light. I can in the bathroom, but then it gets tricky out here in the like main living area. I don't know. I haven't completely figured it out, and I go home tomorrow. Oh, and one last thing. There's 3 closet spaces in here, and which is great, you know, tons of space to store things. My only complaint is it smells like pee. I don't know if it's just me and my nose. Maybe I just can't smell properly, but, or maybe it's the cleaning supplies they use. I don't know, but every time I open up these closets, I swear it smells like pee. So that's everything I kind of wanted to say. Also, the shower back here is huge. You could probably fit like 10 people in there. I don't know why you'd want to, but it's very big. And as you can see, very see-through. So if you are coming here with a friend, just be aware that this is how you'll be showering. And then opens right up into the bathroom.